Hi everyone, in this video we'll be going through estimation. In particular, we're going to start off with estimation of square root and cube roots. To begin, we need to understand what estimation is all about. Okay, estimation basically means that you want to approximate and then you evaluate. Right? So you want to do some changes to the particular working expression or order of operations that you want to do before you evaluate them. It's very different from what we did in the past where we evaluate and then we approximate. Alright, let's get started here. So first of all, you need to run square root 150 in your calculator and realize that it's an ugly answer. So before that, since the side working, we just do it on the side and the calculator will tell you that square root 150 equals to 12.24. 12.24. Of course, it's an irrational number. It goes on and on. So what you need to do is that you look at 12.24. You have two choices. You can go up to 13, which is the next whole number, or you go on to the next whole number, which is 12. Which is closer? Of course, you know that 12 is a closer number. Alright? So what you do now, you take 12 and you reverse the process of a square root, which is to square the 12. And you run by 12 squared to calculator, you get square root, you get 144. And 144 is a perfect square that's closest to 150. So what you do now, it is approximated to square root 144, and your final answer is 12. And what you notice is that the final outcome is usually a nicer number, or what we refer to as a rational number. Rational or less complex number. Next, we have cube root 120. We go through the same process again. Run cube root 120 in the calculator, and you'll get 4.932. You get 4.932. Goes on and on. And over here, of course, what you can do is you have a choice. You either go upwards to the next whole number, which is 5, or you go downwards to the next whole number, which is 4. And of course, in this case, 5 is a closer number. And you reverse the process of cube root. So you take it 5 cube. And this will give you, you can check your calculator again, you get 125. And 125 happens to be the nearest cube, perfect cube, to 120. So let me just write the working here. So cube root 120 will be approximated to cube root 125, and you get a nice answer, which is 5. Right? Okay, that's all. Thank you.